Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my channel. This is Jama Fibran, and happy Friday, everyone. This is 4th of July. Anyway, I'm home. The reason of my review today, I ordered this Dooney Bourke. They came in a Dooney bag. We do unboxing today with the Dooney Bourke. They came in like this. It's open. So I don't know. Look, it's open. Hopefully the thing inside is it's not broken. All right, I don't have to use anything because they came in just like this. It's open. All right, let's see what is inside. Ooh, it's big. Oh, wow. Look at this. It's a big bag. Get it all together. See what happened. Ooh, look at this. What? It's big. Ooh. It is so big. Here it goes. They're so beautiful. Look at this. There's some more thing. And here's the bag for the Dooney. I don't want to... Let me see if I can get these things out. There it goes. It is so beautiful. Look at this. It's Dooney here. That looks pretty. Look. Nothing is damaged. Even the box is open. There you go. That looks so pretty. What? And here's the bag for the Dooney. Let's open inside. There's some more paper. Look at this. Oh, wow, this is beautiful. Oh, this is big. What? Wow, look at this. More paper. More paper. And more paper. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, this is beautiful. They have some kind like a keychain in here. And then and a zipper. Yay! The zipper is more important thing. What? This zipper. Oh, she is beautiful. Let's try to check if nothing damaged. Nothing. Wow, this is beautiful. Look at this. I love it. Beautiful. Wow, this is huge. I love this bag. What? Nice bag. All right, that's my review for this one. Here's the receipt. This is the leisure shopper. Ooh, it's beautiful. Very nice. Okay, that's my review for this bag. The Dooney leisure shopper. All right, have a nice 4th of July, everybody. Bye.